Mingalaba, welcome back to Gold Burmese Language Lessons. I'm going to talk about today's lesson 31 is Burmese Vowels. Before start the lessons, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's get started. Burmese secret type is abugida, which is the combination of consonants and vowels. There are 12 vowels and 2 types of vowel signs: dependent vowel signs and independent vowel signs. Burmese writing direction is left to right, and today I'm going to talk about dependent vowel signs and then how to pronounce these vowels combined with some consonants. Let's see the first vowel. The first vowel sign is yi-cha, yi-cha, yi-cha. The second one is wit-sa-pa, wit-sa-pa, or shi-zi. Shi-zi is a pair of dots. Let's see examples, some consonants combinations of these 2 vowels. Ka-ji, ka-ji, ka-ji. This consonant ka-ji plus yi-cha is equal to ka-ji yi-cha ka, ka-ji yi-cha ka, ka-ji yi-cha ka. Ka-ji yi-cha wit-sa-pa ka, ka-ji yi-cha wit-sa-pa ka, ka. Finally, ka, 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 ka. For practice, sa, 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 sa. Same song, sa, 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 sa. Na, 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 na. Ma, 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 ma. La, 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 la. A, 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 a. Sa, 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 sa. Na, na, na. Ma, ma, ma. La, la, la. A, a. Today, in this lesson, I talk about the first vowel, yi-cha, and the second vowel, wit-sa-pa, with suitable examples. The other red vowels come in next lessons. I will come back to you the next lessons, step by step also. Hope you enjoy Gold Burmese language lessons. Thanks for watching. Jesu Demare. Jesu Demare.